next question says, in the past, the Rabbi explained to us that if a person that works on Kiruv has translations and the like, they can use a piece of fabric and do Netilat Yadayim without water and removing the purity. My question is if this could be applied in the case of a person that is not doing Kiruv at the time. Thank you, Robert.
I'm not sure what is the connection. I'm not sure what is the connection. I mean, even if you do Kiruv, what's the problem? You can stand up, go and wash your hands. It's not like your surgeon open heart surgery. I'm not sure what is the connection, but the general answer. If a person elaborate would help us very much. But before that, I just want to say that if person needs to cleanse their hands and there is no water available, or it's I don't know, for whatever reason, so we can use soft fabric, something that cleanses. So in Gemara they give example what is cleanses, like earth is cleansing. So you can wipe your hands, whatever, spiritually, of course, right, on a earth, on a stone, on a fabric, something like a cleansing material. But I'm not sure what is the connection with the Kiruv. Not sure. So if please help us to understand. Right. So and same actually with So you need to pray, for example, and there is no water. Right. So there is no water. So what are you going to do? You're somewhere in the woods, and you say, "Whoa, it's time for mincha." Especially a good question, right? It's 3 p.m., right? Whatever. Until you get home, it's going to be too late. So you must pray now. There is no water. So you cleanse your hand on the bark of the tree, right? Of course, it's spiritual, and you can start praying.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Our friends sort of clarifying the question. Friend says, I thought that perhaps the work of doing Kiruv could have some exception, and if it's not working on Kiruv, could require actual water.
No, it's not. I would not say there is no exception like this, because you can do both of them at the same time. So you can go like Kiruv. It's not like a surgery. Of course, some people require the answers more faster than others, or some things done. But to wash their hands for a few more minutes, it's not going to change anything. And of course, the other side is going to understand. So there is no such leniency. The only leniency if there is no water available. Period. Or you're not allowed. For example, some people had this one student, such a precious soul, and this lady, she had a problem. I'm not sure what is disease called, but she had a problem to wet her hands. So a skin issue, it's unbelievable. So for her to go to wash the hands, it was the painful experience ever. So she was trying not to do anything, to work in gloves and stuff like that, and only wash her hands for bread. You understand? So that's. I'm just thinking about that. She asked me a few questions, and I could not answer. Why? I told you, and we learned it, and then she explained to me. I mean, it did not it was a long time ago. It did not enter my mind to ask. Now, so now I would ask. Yeah, we have some skin issues or something. Most of the people not, but that lady, she had very big sensitive hands, not sensitive, it's real skin issue. Right, so we try to find all of the leniency to wet the hands as less as possible. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.